Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel again. I am in Nyahururu. This is Thompson Falls. Kuna wakati nishai kuja huku, that was back in 2021. If you scroll back to one of my first videos, you're going to watch another vlog nikiwa hapa. So I have decided to pass by here and see what has changed. I hope that you're going to enjoy this vlog. Kindly make sure that you've subscribed to my YouTube channel. Let us go! The challenging thing about this place is going down. There is a very steep road that goes down to the falls. So right now we are going down, and it is going to take a few minutes. Let us see how this is going to be. So these are actually the stairs I am talking about. They are usually very steep. Kuteremka chini. Yo, nje inakuanga steep. I'm telling you because going down it itself unasikianga kuchoka. So look. Hiyo ndo kupanda huko juu. Oh my goodness. I can't imagine I'm coming back here nikipanda. What? Oh my goodness. And you see, I am actually alone. I don't think if it's really good to go down ukiwa peke yako. Ukiwa peke yako, last time wakati nilikuwa huku sikuwa peke yangu. Oh my goodness. What? Unajua mtu akianguka hapa sijui. What? Yo. Let us see. Okay. I don't want to miss my step. Imagine to miss steps hapa. Guys, I'm not going to record everything. Let me be careful with my steps. Juu hapa mtu anaweza miss step alafu ajipata kiwa down. Yo. I am not sure if I should go down because what? Yo, this looks mbona kumechange? Mimi sipate hii place ikikaa hivi. Yo, look. We are here, look. Yo, that was very good. Yo, I feel so good. Sasa shida ni kurudi huko. That was amazing. That was amazing. Let me show you. I feel like I want to faint. Bado niko mbali sana. Juu I'm supposed to go up hadi huko juu. What? You see, I carried Red Bull because nilikuwa na shuku this is going to be hectic. Hadi niko nayo hapa. But I don't think it is going to help. You are not supposed to take energy drink when your heart is pacing. So I don't know. Yo. Anyway, I hope that you're enjoying this vlog. I want to show you the Airbnb, the space that I spent yesterday. It was very amazing. Yeah, it was very sweet. If you people have watched the last vlog Nimepost, you're going to notice that that space looks very beautiful. I was recording that video today in the morning. So I want to show you the space, and I will also leave a number in the description if you want to book. Anytime you find yourself in Nakuru, you can book the space. If you watched the video on birthday reflection, you probably noticed the beautiful background behind me. I was at this Airbnb space in Nakuru that was clean and peaceful. If you happen to be in Nakuru and probably you need to relax, recharge, or even spend the night, kindly hit me up. I will plug you with the owner of the space. Yesterday I was watching this interesting movie called Polygamy. I think South Africans are doing good in film because the storyline is very deep and the production is dope. After hiking, I came here for my birthday shoot. This is a very beautiful place, by the way. It is called Thompson Falls Resort. Thank you for watching up to this point. I'll see you again on another video.